citizens to get out and see how our government works and all the things we do in Seminole County that make their lives better.
It's just all about education, letting people know, informing them what we do, being up close to the equipment. They see the equipment out there working, but being up close, actually being able to sit in it and to see everything is, I think, a really great idea for everybody.
The machines are like, it's a great opportunity, especially for our kids. Thank you so much for doing that.
These are the people that pay taxes. They expect that when they call, they need someone to show up and help them. So seeing a little bit of what we do and how we spend our days here, our training, what we actually go through is very important.
It's been a lot of fun. They got to learn a lot. We got to go into the fire station, right? Did we learn a lot today so far? We got to see a bunch of puppies, and we ate a lot of snacks, so it's been really fun.
I love how it's just really interactive and you can drop in. There's not like a real time commitment, but we usually stayed like the whole time because it was amazing.
If it goes missing, we scan it and the number pops up.
It's important that our citizens not only know what this county is about, but understands it and be a part of it. Our biggest asset that we have is our citizens.
Look at all that. Now we need to spray the water.